Activities to commemorate the World Sanitation Week in Kakumiro district included welcoming the chief guest Robinah Nabbanja with hundreds of boda cyclists who escorted her to town for over 2 kilometers. This was also a gesture to congratulate her for being retained as Prime Minister of Uganda in the recent cabinet reshuffle. Prime Minister Nabbanja urged residents of Kakumiro to embrace sanitation and hygiene for sustainable health living.
This water, once it is done to reduce uncommunicable diseases, the waterborne diseases in our area. We know in 2016, when Kakumiro was made a district, and what we are now. In 2016, Kakumiro district did not have pipe to water. We now have it.
She promised support to strengthen coordination for improved water, sanitation and hygiene service delivery.
The President embraced the national programs aimed at poverty reduction, such as Emyoga, the Parish Development Model, which is our latest national flagship program.
Minister of State for Health in charge of primary health care, Margaret Muhanga, expressed concern over laxity by the public to embrace good hygiene and sanitation practices.
It's simply poor hygiene that brings dysentery, cholera, all those. By the way, even accidents are preventable. Most of these accidents we are getting are from drunken drivers.
Dr. Diana Atwine, the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Health, says development and good health are synonymous.
Leaders, get out of comfort zone. Hold people accountable who do not meet, who are exposing people to sickness. That is actually, those people can be charged in courts of law. The law is there.
State Minister for Transport, Fred Byamukama, lauded government for extending services to the people of Kakumiro and the country in general.
The Right Honourable Prime Minister has commissioned the 11.2 billion water project.
Earlier in the day, Prime Minister Robinah Nabbanja launched construction works of an 11 billion pipeline water project that will serve 4 sub-counties and over 84 villages. She thanked President Yoweri Museveni for retaining her as Premier and promised to serve with more commitment. Kakumiro district was selected to host the national celebrations of sanitation and hygiene because of its basic sanitation of 23% and hand-washing coverage of 50%. In schools, the people's stance is 49% hand-washing, while menstrual hygiene management is 68%. In regard to health care facilities, safe water coverage is at 60.9, with only 4.3 having access to basic sanitation, 34 having access to basic hand hygiene, while health care waste management stands at 43.5%.